Am I pumped? So this is the first ride with my Alpinestars Tech Air Off-Road. Welcome back to the channel. Something I've been debating getting ever since I get back into motorcycle riding is an airbag vest, and I purchased one from Alpinestars. Marauders, I've been so impressed with this off-road Alpinestars air vest that I will be receiving, an Alpinestars Tech 5 Plasma air vest, which I will be reviewing, and it will be my next video to follow this video. They're air vest, they're off-road riding vest, and it came in today's delivery. We're going to try it on. I'll talk about that in a minute. Look at this garage. This is like a dream. The Ranger's on a trailer outside. I had to take it in for service. Really, I got the vest, primarily the off-road vest for this motorcycle. Lost over 100 pounds to ride this bike on the road. We'll see if that happens. This is a demo from a dealer they loaned me for a week or 2 weeks to do videos on. I'd like to do at least 2 or 3 videos on the Can-Am Spyder RT Limited. Great machine. Of course, I've revealed that bike, and we've slowed down our motorcycle buying. I think we have enough. Okay, let's get on. Let's unbox this vest, and we're going to try it on. Okay, and the vest, and when I saw this, man, it is not light. This vest is not light. And I'll explain. This may be a disappointing video. So, as I stand here today, coming out of the shower, I weigh 240 pounds. My waist is a 36, and my chest measures 49 inches. The largest size they have in this vest is a double extra large. Unlike the Alpinestars Tech 5, which goes up to, I believe, 5X, this only goes up to 2X, and 45 inches is a max. Now, I talked to a person at Alpinestars, not a store, someone with Alpinestars, their website, and called their phone number. And the woman felt that this would, a 2X, would fit me. Look at this box. Let's bring it in closer. But I don't know. Now, a 2X in the Tech 5, and by the way, I want to thank everyone. I didn't get this at Cycle Gear because they couldn't get it, nor could Revzilla. The only place I could get it was directly from Alpinestars, but I want to thank the people at Cycle Gear in Cheektowaga, New York on Walden Avenue, Alex and James, for letting me try on a Alpinestars Tech Air 5 to get some idea of sizing. So, oh boy, looks big. So here's the vest. You can see it in the box. Oh my God, it's heavy. Wow. Okay, so let's take it out. Oh boy, she's not like, wow. Man, they give you an instruction manual with it that's like the Bible. This is a bladder test kit to test the bladder, an adapter for it. I'll take that out. All right, let's see. Now guys, remember, this could be a short video. It might be might be going back in the box and being returned. I can't throw any of this stuffing out. It looks small, and these straps, I'll loosen up these straps as far as they can go on the side. Let's loosen these up. And again, it's not in the waist where I'm going to have problems. It's in the chest area. I never ride without a motorcycle jacket on or pants. I never ride like that. Boy, it looks so small. Is this the right size? So there's no size that I can see. There's no size that I can see actually on the vest itself. Is it down here? Man, if it's not a double X, I'm going to be sad. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Oh, 2X. I see the size. All right, it is a double XL. Here we go, guys. Moment of truth. Shoulders are in. Looks tight in the chest, so let's see if I can zip it up. Oh my gosh. Wow. Not easy to get the zip, not hard, but not the easiest to get the zipper up. Man, that woman was right. Oh man, I am so happy. I am so happy. I don't know if you can see it with the glare from the window. I'll step away from the window. Maybe it'd be better. Step over here. I'm really happy, guys. And I'm riding tomorrow. Oh my gosh, am I pumped? I'll tell you why I'm pumped. Because I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning to be at the gym when they unlock the doors at 5, and I work out very hard along with a lot of other dedicated people to get in shape to ride these motorcycles. I am thrilled. I'm really psyched, guys, frankly. I'm really psyched. It feels heavy when you're getting it out of the box. Once you put it on, it's very comfortable. Definitely have to take the back plate out of my jackets that I have. I have a back plate, but I wanted this because in case it doesn't go off at all, I believe you have, this is CE level 1 armor in the front, on the shoulders and on the back, elbows and forearms, and I am pumped. I am so happy. All right, let's see how it is to get it off. I think to get it off, I just have to undo this. They want you to wear like a thin Under Armour material, which I have. And I can feel it's already stretching out. Now it is unzipping really easily. Wow. Marauders, I've had this air vest since September of 2024, and it's currently March of 2025. And I have the Alpinestars Tech 5 Plasma, brand new, being delivered today. So I'm gonna set these videos up back to back so you can see me unboxing both vests. I feel so comfortable and confident in my off-road air vest. I had definitely wanted to order the new Tech 5 air vest because I knew they were going to be designing that air vest. They made it thinner, lighter, and also you can change the cartridges yourself. That video should be released tomorrow. Key features on this vest: it's great for riding off-road. I'm going to use it when I ride my dual sport and adventure bikes off-road. It has an enduro setting, which I'll use off-road, rally, which is for someone riding crazy off-road, which isn't me, and then street mode, and I've used it a ton for on street mode. Stay tuned. By the way, Alpinestars makes it very easy to download the app, connect the app through your phone to your vest. You scan a tag on your vest and then get it set up where you can monitor the vest. Hope you enjoy the ride portion of the video. So this is the first ride with my Alpinestars Tech Air off-road, and as you know, I'm off the size chart by about 4 inches, but once it's on, it fits great, and it's been operating great, and it is very comfortable. Probably don't recommend wearing it without something to cover it when you're riding on road, but it does have some abrasion material on the shoulder pads and up on the shoulder, and I figured why not go for it. Very comfortable unit. I'll put this in the video for the vest, the unboxing video, but no deployments, which are good, and very comfortable. By the way, it also breathed very well. Oh, emergency braking here. Emergency braking. It also breathed very well underneath my vented jacket this morning. That went very well with it. So comfortable unit. So far, first rides behind me. I'd highly recommend it. And the technology seems to be well proven on this airbag vest. Very nice. I'm glad well, it hurts to spend the money, but it's less than spending time with a doctor or in the hospital. So I'm glad I did it. Glad I pulled the trigger. Catch up a little later in the video as I'm leaving Canada after Port Dover, Friday the 13th bike rally. Awesome time. Marauders, please stay tuned for tomorrow's video, or my next video, on the Tech Air 5 Plaza system, which is a brand new air vest. Hope you enjoy this video, and please leave a lot of comments. Alpinestars does a great job with this equipment.